to the girly mamas, to the baby mamas, to the home girls, to the girl buys. Yes, it is me, Miss Kennedy. I haven't talked to the girls in a minute. Remember that video I posted like a couple weeks ago? Child, I recorded that like, you wanna know how long ago? I recorded that video 2-3 months ago. I'm sorry. I tried to record another video. I tried to record me doing my hair. I have not even edited, did nothing with that video because it was a hot mess. I'm so embarrassed. Like, it was such a fail. I didn't even take pictures of the final product or the hairstyle. It was hideous. But I am back. I'm so freaking excited. I am doing a DIY paint jeans with me. I'm so pressed. This is my press dance. Yes, I'm going to be, what is it? Yeah, just painting my jeans. I'm excited. I've never done anything like this before. I've, of course, done DIY and made stuff. I made my prom dress. I made my birthday outfit. Don't play with the girl. I'm not a fashion designer though. I don't even know. I guess I am an artist, but I'm not an artist in the sense of, like, you know, painting and drawing and coloring. I mean, I like to color. I'd be doing art with the kids at work, but I am not an artist. I've never painted jeans or clothes before, but I'm really excited. I was looking on Pinterest and I saw this girl, she was serving a look and her jeans were too cute. Please believe I'm not gonna go and buy something like that. I'm going to make it myself. Okay. But yes, I want to show the girls my OOTD fit. This is what I wore today. I wore I think these are my favorite pair of khaki trousers. These are so cute. They're kind of like, they're fitted at the top. I can't really get the camera to show the bottom. Let me try another angle. But let me show you guys the top, all right? So I wore, of course, my layered chains, my necklaces, my earrings. I'm a silver jewelry type of girl. My friend, he said I should wear white gold, so I don't know, I might give that a try. I thrifted this bodysuit. It's this beautiful, gorgeous, like deep purple violet velvet color. It was in one of my thrift haul videos. So cute. And then just, of course, with my trusty grommet belt. The shoes I wore today, I wore my, I've had these shoes for a while. I just threw on my white Fila Disruptors, my white and red. I haven't worn these shoes in so long, but I don't know. I love a chunky shoe with a wider leg pant. I did a whole piece about khakis and wide leg pants. These pants in particular on my fashion vlog, a little shameless plug. I will link that down below for the girls to go read that. And yes, that's what I wore today. Let's get into the video, the creative DIY video. All right, girls, I am back. I had to change my clothes because I just got off of work, but I want to show you guys my outfit real quick. And you know, with the whole Rona thing, you gotta change your clothes as soon as you get in the house. So I kind of cheated and I showed you my outfit real quick. Anyways, all right, so I have all my materials. I have everything that I want to use. I have my paint and I have like 10 pairs of jeans. I have no idea what pair I want to paint on because I'm planning on wearing these jeans tomorrow. I'm so freaking excited. I'm so freaking pressed and excited. Yes. Okay. So I did have a pair of jeans in mind that I already wanted to DIY and paint, but as you see, what happened was I forgot that I tried to turn those pair of jeans into my birthday outfit like a dummy, and my freaking sewing machine stopped working in the middle of my DIY project. So it looks so bootleg, child. Look a hot mess. These jeans are another pair that I might do. I've worn these maybe once or twice. I thrifted these a long time ago. These have like the, the elastic band waistband part. These are okay. These are just kind of like, the length are weird. It's cropped. I don't know. I'm kind of thinking about, I think I'm gonna distress the bottom. I think I'm gonna cut the entire bottom off. And I'm gonna distress them so they look really cute. I'm just looking at these pair of shorts that I have on my clothing rack. Prepare yourselves for a clothing rack haul. Y'all ain't ready. That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. Anyways, yes, I'm looking at these pair of shorts right here, and the bottom of the hem of these are so freaking cute. They're really distressed. I think I might do the same thing with these so I can like them more. And the fit of these are just kind of weird. They're a little suspicious. But if I paint these, I know I'm gonna like them better. I just might do these as well. Chat, I got all day. I got all night. I don't really care. I have a paper to write, but I got all night. I don't really care. So I have those. Those are an option. These, I don't know. I just kind of brought these down. Just, I don't know. I might paint these like on a later date. I don't know. I kind of want to paint all these jeans. They're really cute. This is what I was afraid of. See, I went through a cropping stage where I literally cropped every shirt that was in my sight, every shirt in my possession, like half my shirts, no, 80% of my shirts were cropped. Now I think I'm about to go through a whole freaking painting phase. And I went through the, what is it? The distress phase, where I distressed like most of my jeans and stuff. What other phases did I go through, chat? I don't know. Yes. Oh, I went through an elastic phase where a lot of like the bands on my tops have like elastic on them, or like they're cut right here and they're elastic around. I don't know. So I think I might go through a painting phase. Prepared to see majority of my jeans painted on, girls. They're gonna be mad. They're gonna be very mad. They're gonna be so mad. I don't know why. I just want to really cut. I just want to paint a lot of my paint. Okay, I kind of have to give myself a little shout out for this picture that I painted. I went to this my staff get together. I was with the women, not the girls, because we're all women. I guess you could say we're also girls too. And we did a sip and paint. And hold these close to the end, please. She did what? This. I did this myself. This is so cute. I love her so much. Look at her. It matches the nails. Oh, I think the last thing I was doing to show you guys my nails, I was doing a nail cam. I'm in dire need of a freaking fill-in. But just imagine how cute these would have been fresh. Yes. My next set, don't tell nobody, it's gonna be blue. Okay, I'm done rambling. I'm just like in such like an excited mood right now. Let me go ahead and start before I lose any more sunlight. Let me stop talking. Let me listen to my audiobook because I gotta write a paper on it that's due tomorrow. And yeah, I guess you guys can just watch me paint. Whenever I doodle or I'm kind of bored, these are the type of shapes that I do. I just do kind of like big, bubbly. I don't even know what this is. I guess like when I finish or continue doing more, I'll show you like the type of designs that I'm talking about. But I think this looks really good. I don't really know what type of approach I was going for with the whole orange and the white, but I kind of like it. I wish the orange was a little more rustic, a little more burnt, so it had like a darker type of color to it, but I don't know, I think it looks pretty good. I'm still going to distress the bottom of these jeans so they can look like the bottom of these shorts. You see, I don't know, I just love this. This is so attractive to me, like a distressed and frayed bottom to a pair of jeans. But yeah, let's see how this turns out. This is my little workstation I showed y'all earlier. But yeah, I'm working. Okay. I'm gonna give myself a break. I don't know if I'm gonna like keep working tonight. I think what I'm gonna do is work tomorrow. I wanted to wear them tomorrow, but I'm kind of tired and I need to eat dinner. I made myself a taco salad, and what I really want to do right now is eat dinner and watch Girlfriends. This is my first time ever watching this show. I've of course heard of it, but I've never watched it before, so I'm excited. It looks pretty good. One of my favorite YouTubers, I Am Aloho, she recently uploaded a video about the show, like doing basically an analysis of the characters, and I was like, okay, I'm going to watch this now, finally. I need to take a break from Legends of Korra, I need to take a break from Disney Plus, and watch some Girlfriends. So yeah, okay, I'm going to show you guys what I have done so far. This whole time I've just been painting and listening to the audiobook. Okay, so the book is called Know What You Believe, Connecting Faith and Truth by Poleo. Hold up. Give me a second. Written by Paul E. Little. It's 5 hours long. I'm only an hour in, and the assignment is due tomorrow. I've just been slammed with so much outside things, but I'm gonna get it done. I don't care. And I know how I am. Like, I work fairly well under pressure, plus I'm used to procrastinating and then doing this time at the last minute. So it's just a 1-page paper summary / analysis of the book, and it's so much easier to listen to it than reading it. Trust me, I love to read. If I had the time to read, I would have definitely read it, but girl, I ain't got the time for that. So I've just been listening to it. I think what I'm gonna do is finish my dinner, watch some Girlfriends. I might paint if I do finish paint. Like, if I do paint some more, then I'm gonna definitely listen to the audio book, because that's the only way that I'll listen to it and paint at the same time. So I'm gonna do that, and I guess I'll listen to it when I'm getting ready in the morning, and then I'm gonna type the paper at work, or yeah, I'm gonna type the paper at work. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what I have done so far. This is what I have done so far. Trust me, it's a lot more than what it looks like. Yeah, I haven't just been playing around this whole time. It's just a lot to kind of do the detailing and like keeping your hands steady, and then you kind of have to layer up the paint. Like, as you can clearly see, the orange, if you don't, of course, like, you know, go over it several times, it'll be more faint rather than with the white. I don't know why, but the white is picking up very well, and I think they're both the same brand. Yeah, I don't know why. It's interesting, but yeah, the orange isn't as pigmented, but I think I'm just gonna go over it again tomorrow. I'm gonna let it dry some more, and then I'm gonna go over it again. Hey, you guys. Okay, so it has been a couple days. I don't know, I've just been dealing with a lot of stuff right now. I've been going to work, doing my online classes, and I started my Quit Esther again. I'll explain all of that, like, maybe in another video, like what life is like in a week for me. It's very eventful. It's a lot of stuff going on, but yes, it is a couple days later. I got my hair done. My sister did my hair. I love my natural hair, don't get me wrong, but whenever it is natural and it's out, trust and believe, I cannot stop keeping my hands in it, and I just want to prevent like as much breakage as possible with over manipulation. So I just had her do these braids for me real quick, and I'm gonna get my hair done again. Like, this is just like a temporary hairstyle, I guess. Even though like I could wear this like this for a while, but I'm gonna have my homegirl Cora hook me up again later. But yes, I have not touched the jeans. I mean, I did like a little bit of work after I stopped recording the other day, but I barely did much of anything. I kind of messed up in a couple spots too. I don't know what happened. I was on the phone and I got distracted, and I literally like I kind of messed it up, and I'm missing a nail. Yes. But I got distracted when I was on the phone, so I kind of messed up a little bit. But I'm going to see what I can do to fix that. I only have the white side done. I'm going to really hope and pray that I can finish the black side, because I really want to wear these pants by tomorrow. I wanted to wear them today, which is Friday, but I could not. I'm sorry. My plan was to wear the pants. Okay, so I started on them on Wednesday. I wanted to wear them Thursday, but I couldn't wear them Thursday. And I really wanted to wear them today, which is Friday. But I clearly have not had the time to even work on them to have them ready for today. So tomorrow, I'm going to wear them. Well, I can't be too loud. Tomorrow, we're going out to eat for my dad's birthday this Okay, his birthday's Sunday, but we're going to eat tomorrow. So I want to serve a look at the restaurant. I want to be a cute girl. So hopefully I can finish tonight. I'm really, really tired. I just finished some homework. I'm so exhausted, but I really want to finish them tonight. So I'm going to stop rambling and I'm going to get started. I'm going to see if I can set the camera up some way so you guys can see what I'm actually doing. But other than that, let's get the Alright you guys, so it's the next day. I finished the pants, as you can clearly tell. Last night, so far I only had this side done, and I was kind of working on this side while I was recording. And after I stopped recording, I finished the entire, what is this, left side of the pants. And I'm obsessed with the turn-on. I'm obsessed with the final product. I wasn't sure how the contrast between the black and white would look, and I was trying to find a color that would look best with black. So I kind of went with this combination between a blue and a red, and it came out with this really nice purple color. I'm really obsessed. And I only had time to do one pocket. Yeah, so I only had time to work on one pocket, which was this morning. I was kind of rushing because I wanted to wear these pants by today. So I stayed up a little late last night and I worked on it just a little bit this morning. Okay, with these pants, it was a little tricky trying to find the best top that would look best with this. But I don't know. I kind of like the contrast between the light denim with the darker denim. So, yeah. Oh, and I think with these trousers, I might also wear like a baby tee or some type of regular t-shirt. But I'm obsessed with this outfit and these pants. Please believe you will see more of these and maybe another video. But yes, this is the finished product. I'm so excited with how everything turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.